Janine, napahagulgol nang maalaala ang birthday song sa kanya ni Mamita Pilita. Emosyonal na inalala ni Janine Gutierrez ang kanyang yumaong lola at Asia's Queen of Song na si Pilita Corrales sa pagdiriwang ng kanyang kaarawan. Sa kanyang Instagram post, ibinahagi ni Janine ang mga larawan nila ng kasintahang si Jericho Rosales sa South Africa. Kasabay nito ang pag-alala sa pagkanta ng kanyang Mamita Pilita ng birthday song, pagpatak ng hating gabi ng kanyang kaarawan. We were having dinner the day before my birthday, and when Echo said happy birthday, because it was already midnight in Manila, out of the blue, I couldn't stop crying. I could hear Mamita's voice in my head singing happy birthday, and it just hit me. She would always sing happy birthday in her full singing voice, and it's just kept playing in my head, and I really couldn't stop crying over my seafood like a baby. I don't know what happened, but I guess that's grief. Aminado rin si Janine na nag-aalanganan siyang ipagdiwang ang birthday sa ibang bansa. Pero tila nagpadala raw ng senyales ang lola para ituloy ang biyahe. The day before I leave, as I am about to pack, I found the old letter from Mamita as I get my last box of things from my old condo. I don't even know when this was from, but I also kept crying when I found it because it felt like a message from her saying, I should go, don't worry. Inihayag naman ni Janine sa huli na super happy siya dahil naging amazing ang kanilang South Africa trip ng nobyong si Jericho Rosales. At sa huling bahagi ng mensahe ni Janine, it's been the toughest year, but I am just filled with gratitude for everyone who's held mine and my family's hand throughout everything. I am so grateful for another year and for all blessings. I am so grateful for my family and Echo and my friends and my work, families, and all of you who've been there. I am so grateful for this trip. It turned out amazing. So here's a dump from my actual birthday. Hindi na ako umiyak. Life is beautiful. Just keep showing up. Thank you guys. I love you. Thank you for all the greetings. Well, hindi nga maiwasang mapahagulhol ni Janine dahil naaalala niya ang kanyang Mamita Pilita Corrales kung saan sa hating gabi bago siya mag-birthday ay kinakantahan siya ng happy birthday. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video nito, comment down below.